Okie dokie. Here we go. Now I'm doing the lengthwise, or the long size. I've already sewn the Kitty Cot tag on it. I actually kind of enjoy this stuff. My hem is actually going to be 3 1/4 inches here. So what I do to make my prototypes is I come over and I measure my 3 1/4 inches. Back her off a little bit. I want 3 1/4. Just a little bit more. Let's try that. This plastic coated fabric is pretty nice to work with because it has lines in it, and you can kind of follow the lines if they're a good line. I take my tape measure and I measure my 3 1/4 here. A little shy. And you ought to see these guys that sew for me go. Guys and gals. They do nice work. And that's at Commercial Fabrics Manufacturing right here in Seattle, Washington. So all my fabric is sewn right here locally in Seattle. And by the way, this was my wife's sewing machine. I gave it to her, but she hasn't, I don't think she's ever used it. For some reason this machine loves to drag an extra line there. You gotta pull it out. Anyway, there is my prototype fabric for my Kitty Cot. My ground Kitty Cot on the ground. Now all I got to do is make my pipe, and that'll be my prototype. These scissors are unbelievable. I got them at a. These are Japanese made. KAI or something like that. Boy, are they good though. And what they say is if you're going to use it for fabric, that's all you use this pair of scissors for is fabric. You don't mix it. Don't cut paper. Don't cut anything but fabric with your fabric scissors. Now I got to go find my staple there. Remove my staple. Anyway, that's what it's going to be. Very cool. Very, very cool.